And what I have here today is the Hearty beef Bolognese. And it looks like a very nice mixture of like pasta mixed in with like maybe some chili time. And check it out, everybody. I have my Stoke Voltronics, and this is the Joel, and this thing is awesome. And you're wondering, I've got it on electricity, but I'm out here at a campground. How am I doing that? Well, I have the Blue Yeti, you know, power bank here. So check this out. Actually, let's just put my phone up there. There we go. So let that phone charge. I'm into the power bank, and this goes up to 500 watts, which is 1200 watts peak, and this is 500 watts to run this. So what they want you to do to make this up, it looks like you boil water for you boil about 10 ounces of water, and then you look in here at there's the 10 ounce, so that's 8 ounces, 10 ounces. So we're gonna split the 8 and 12 right there. I love it how they put those in there. They have milliliters and ounces on there. And then you add beef noodles to the pot, which is the packet here, and boil for another 3 to 5 minutes. So you'll let it boil and let it keep going, turn down the heat. And the cool thing about this thing is, see how you have drink and heat. So we're going to start on drink, and then we got eat, and then it's popcorn on that. And then you're going to cook for 2 minutes, stir occasionally, turn off heat, and cover for 3. Enjoy. It looks like a mix of spinach, turmeric, bay leaf, apple cider vinegar powder. Check that out. Cooked beef, salt, natural flavor, tomato paddling. This actually sounds like it's absolutely delicious. And you can see best by 11/01/23. So I have 1 more week left on this. I've actually had this stuff in my van for about a year now. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this up and check it out. Tomorrow I'm going to have oatmeal. So in the morning, my breakfast in the morning, and this is my meal right now. So let's go ahead and let's get this let's fire up some water and get it boiling. So let's do that now. Let's add about, there's 8, I'd say that's about 10 ounces, maybe 12. Let's turn that on. All you gotta do is push the button, and we're on drink. You can see right here, we're pulling 492 watts. So we are perfect. This is at 99, and I have a solar panel that I use on that, so I can always plug it up to a solar panel. So let's go ahead and let's get to boiling. Let's put that on there. So it's at a complete boil now. So now what we're gonna do, add beef noodles to the pot and boil for 3 to 5. Okay, so as soon as I added that, you know, the boil stopped. But you check it out, there's a few things in the packets. I guess that's the seasoning, and I guess that's the powder. So there's 2 types of seasoning in there. Oh, those are softening up nicely. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes of boiling there, and you could see it's softening up. So what I did, I turned it from drink to eat. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add these little ingredients here, and then stir it up, and then let it sit there for a little bit. The heat is off on it, and it's cooling down. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it just like they said. They said the last step is cook for 2 minutes, turn off heat, and cover for 3. So that's what I'm doing. So we're going to let it sit here for 3 minutes, and we'll come back. I've let it sit here. Look at this. This looks awesome right there. I can tell y'all. Let me try it real quick. Oh, that's so good. That is really good. So the key is letting it sit here and letting it thicken up. That way it's not so runny. So what I'm going to do, I think I was going to put it in the Tom show here, but I think what I'll do is just eat it directly out of the Joule right here. Let me grab a spoon, and then I'm going to eat this. Some crackers in here, but yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the RightOnTrek Hearty beef. Highly recommend this stuff. Tastes awesome. See y'all in the next video.